Alright, here we have a 2010 Kawasaki Ninja 250. Still basically brand new with 419 miles on it. Added a couple of aftermarket parts. See, you got the 250 Rascal Graphics tank pad. You can see the little 250 logo there. Got the blue matching rear seat cowl. Also have the original seat comes with it. Upgraded the the exhaust to the Two Brothers racing exhaust. Gives it a nice little rumble, little growl. Upgraded the rear tire to give it a wider stance. Also, when you ride in heavier winds, it's a little more stable. And I got the original tire I'll put next to it to see how I can show you the difference. Yeah, nice little difference. The original tire on the right, aftermarket, obviously on the bike already. And then start it up. I ain't let it warm up that long, but you get the gist of the sound. Sounds really good. When you look around to the front, no dents, no scratches, never been laid down. And there it is, my 2010 Kawasaki Ninja 250.